Brett, and let's get in the 25 Civic Hybrid. Today we're going to take a ride in the brand new 2025 Honda Civic Sport Touring Hybrid. As you can see, you got the new rims, the beautiful blue Lagoon Pearl, new color. Sport Touring Hybrid. 2-liter engine with an electric motor. Miles per gallon, crazy high. Manufacturer suggested price for a 25 Civic Hybrid. Sport Touring 33.3. My name is Brett, and let's get in the 25 Civic Hybrid and see how it drives. Keyless entry, of course. Inside we got the leather seats, In this case, black leather. Power seats. Let's go ahead and get in. The full digital dash shows you your battery and your gas meter on both sides. Instead of revs, you got a power percentage, how much power is being put out, and then your speedometer, nice and large, with a digital one in the center. Over here, you got your beautiful, just like all the new Civics, you got your vent built into the dash here, and then you got your nice large screen, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Very, very quick to use. Responds very well. Got dual zone climate, heated seats, USB-C, and of course wireless charging, or wireless heating pad. Here you got this weird, not carbon fiber looking material. Drive mode selector. Sport, individual, and of course economy mode. It's a Honda. Along with stuff to follow along on the screen. Seats are very nice. Decent amount of legroom in the rear. And a very nice steering wheel. Let's go see how it drives. Okay, sat in the cockpit of the 25 Civic Touring Hybrid. We are in drive. Let's see how it goes. Right now we are in normal mode. So let's stay in there for a moment. Right off the bat, electric motor kicking in. As soon as you pull away, feels good. Very torquey. Ooh. Okay, pulling out. See how it feels. Whoa, okay. Now that was in normal mode, and I was just pushing the throttle a little bit, and let's see, we're cruising at 35, foot down. That's got some good pickup. Let's make a U-turn. The steering in a parking lot feels good, nice and nimble, like a Civic should be. The car doesn't feel heavy. Let's see, a little bit of skirt. This is in normal mode. Oh, that's got some pickup. Okay. It's actually, I believe, it's definitely faster than the Accord Hybrid. I would put that, I'm only in normal mode so far. I'm going to test it in sport in just a moment. Okay, we are now in sport mode. Okay. Give it a moment and then plan it. Whoa, okay. That CVT kicking away. Got some good torque. Doesn't pull that hard once you're pulling. Let's see, you feel more of a pull with a turbocharged engine. Definitely isn't boring. Let's get another try on this one. Overall, I'm liking how it's driving. It's very nimble, just like a Civic should be. Doesn't feel overweight. Definitely not like a Civic of years ago, but still a nimble vehicle. Short wheelbase. Wheelbase has gotten longer, but it's still shorter than the Accord, and you do get a little bit better fuel economy being in this tighter, compact vehicle. Let's see what a brake boost does. I was being watched. Something in the road. Okay, here we go. Gets up to speed good. You're not really wanting for power. I feel in the Accord hybrid you kind of are. It's got some initial grunt and then doesn't follow it up. This one seems to follow it up a little bit more with some push you back in the seat feeling. Overall, I'm liking it. The ride is good. It's hit a good bump. Ooh, that was a big bump. Sorry, car. Anyways, it didn't feel that bad. Let's see. Turns in nice and nimble. I do like this screen. You stop and go. Pull away. It's on the electric only. Nice, good feeling going around the parking lot. Overall, I'd hate to say it might be funner to drive than the 1.5 turbo Accord. Sorry, Civic. It just has that extra low down grunt that puts you back in your seat. And then for some reason this one has a little bit, has more follow through, has some more top end feeling than the Accord did. So overall, you're getting into a hybrid vehicle, sedan. This is a pretty great choice. I've driven this Corolla hybrid, and first off, I would already buy this over the Corolla hybrid. Looks, definitely, but if you're a Corolla person, Toyota person, and you like those looks better, I believe this does drive a little bit better. You'd have to back them, make your own decision, but I mean, every day having that, it's pretty great. So thank you all. Let me know if you have any questions or anything else you'd like to see. One last thing, because this is something I care about. I'm pretty tall. I'm 6'2", and I was just sitting in this front position. In my driver position, plenty of room. So I've just sat down in the back. Got plenty of room, actually. Plenty of room on my knees. The person forward driving could recline back or even slide back quite a few inches before I would have any issue. Can slide my feet not far into the seat, get nice and stretched out, very comfortable. So overall, I'd say 9 out of 10 comfort back here. You know, it could be larger like the Accord, but I'm plenty comfortable. No need for extra space. It is a hybrid vehicle, but you do get a beautifully large trunk space. See, it does dip down, so you get a nice large area. You can put full suitcases. The Accord would be a little bit larger. I'm not sure the exact difference, but everyday hauling and going out of town, you have no problem with this. For an Accord hybrid touring, you get a little bit less miles per gallon, which is a bigger vehicle, so whichever you like. Small and nimble, more backseat space, more trunk space, and of course got a little bit more asking price. 33.3 versus about 44 or 4,400. So what is it gonna be? Accord hybrid touring or Civic hybrid touring? Okay. Sounds weird. Can you hear that? I don't know if it's coming through in the mic or not. Bad representation, but it's a very interesting noise. They say the technology on this is different than Honda's previous hybrid.